If somebody said to me that libraries are no longer relevant, I'd say you haven't been in a library recently. My name is Marijke Visser, and I am Senior Policy Advocate for the American Library Association. Libraries aren't just books. They're a resource for digital skills to support their communities. I can't imagine a community without a library. They're the place where people go to find a job, to reach their dreams.
For many people, the McCracken County Public Library is their only form of internet connectivity. It's important to support American public libraries because you are truly investing in students, you're investing in job seekers, you're investing in small business owners and entrepreneurs. When you invest in a library, you invest in a community's well-being.
I'm proud of the work that we do here at Memphis Public Libraries to assist our customers in locating jobs. There is dignity in work no matter what the level is, but when it comes to searching for jobs, not enough people have access to technology. The mission for Memphis Public Libraries is to satisfy the customer's need to know, because the job search is constantly changing for all levels of people.
In a town of 2,500 people, our small businesses are very important to our community, and digital skills are crucial for businesses today to be successful. Our library and any library's mission should always be to be a helping hand to the businesses. The Charleston Public Library is just a tiny little library in a tiny little town, but our impact stretches beyond our four walls.
Librarians are hungering for technology, and the American Library Association and Google have worked together for years to help people learn how to make the most of technology. Building on this partnership, we're now working with Grow with Google on a library tour across the U.S. Together, we will offer free in-person digital skills workshops to job seekers, small businesses, and library staff. With the Grow with Google partnership that we have, the U.S. libraries will be able to provide even more in-depth workforce training and materials and resources. It's these resources that are allowing librarians all across the country to provide these critical services to their communities. Because the library is for everybody.